new wave now.
That's in there wide open, 001, 51 gone. Morning there, string bean, diesel wagon, 51 Virginia.
Well, if it isn't my friend 51 old Bean waving right back.
Hey, good morning, Bean. Been a while, my friend. Boy, you got that diesel wagon sounding good in Virginia. I had to key up and see if I could get in your radio. Hey, string bean, good morning, my friend. Hey, string bean. Gee, old Mother Nature bounces, I hope I get to say hello one more time. String bean, good morning. Boy, you're out in the diesel wagon, 5-1. Been a while. I hear you up there in Colorado, too, 51 Virginia.
Thank you. Hey, 5-1, tell that Bean 001's waving the hand at him. Hey, 5-1, tell old Bean 001's waving the hand. Diesel wagon.
You have a good one there, sounding good around this old Virginia-Kentucky line, 5-1. Saying I hope you're having a warmer day than we are in Virginia, that's for sure. And hey, 001, I heard you there, too. I don't know if I still got Bean in there, but I'll give it a try. Hey, string bean, 001 Mobile saying hello your way, 51 out.
001 Mobile, 220.
8220 be 5-1. We're on the base here. I was talking to that old Mobile 001, but hey, you sound good up there, Colorado, 51, around this old low country border. They did for the Galaxy 979, but we're running an old 2527 Galaxy base there. We got a couple of them we've had for a whole lot of years. They sounded good on that radio for sure. Alright, I'll get out of the way because I hear some more trying to get up there in Colorado, so you have a good day up there, 5-1 Virginia. Sitting over here in about 7 inches of snow. Hey, have a good night around to Colorado. Hey, 001, he bounced to my radio loud and proud, and then all of a sudden he disappeared, so I don't know what happened there. I had a 40 on him, and then he was gone, but he might roll back in a minute. Hey, 001, I'll pass it on if I hear him again. Well, good morning there, T-Bird. I heard you sounded good also. T-Bird 51, and good morning your way. Hey, T-Bird, I hear that shout 5-1 saying good morning. Hey, T-Bird, my old conditions must be going around like a yo-yo because I got everybody big time and then I lose them and they come back. But, hey, T-Bird 51 saying good morning that way. Appreciate that shout. I got it all, T-Bird, that time you come in sounded good. T-Bird, good morning that way for sure. 51, always a pleasure.
Did he say he was back in his nest there, 51?
Yeah, that's what he said there, Big Phil. That's what he said there, Big Phil. Said he's back in the nest. Take care, T-Bird, 51 out. There's that string bean diesel wagon pop back in there. String bean 51 waving again. 001, the mobile said wave your way too. 51 out. Alright, Bean, pleasure as always, my friend. Hey, don't work too hard out there while you're rolling that old big diesel wagon. Hey, 001, string beans waving right back your way. Said good morning.
Hey, 5-1, tell Bean, Big Phil said good morning. Keep rolling.
Hey, string bean, Big Phil said good morning your way too, and to keep rolling. Hey, string bean, Big Phil waving a good morning wave also. Alright, Bean, have a good morning. Hey, Big Phil, he's rolling that 5 right back. Said good morning your way. Did you say 333? Hey, string bean, I believe it was 333. Keyed up, said tell Bean good morning also. 51 out.
Right back, bitch!
Alright, Bean, 51 said back enjoyed it all. Yeah, he's in his diesel car. He's out in the diesel car there, 10-4. Triple B said good morning, 51 go. Hey, Bean, they're all waving your way. not anticipated.